Hi, I'm Sam from Sparex, and today we're going to be unboxing Connix LED. Connix LED is a wireless trailer light with 20 metres of working range. It's multifunctional, magnetic, and has up to 10 hours of battery life. When we open the packaging, we have the Connix box. Connix comes in a hard case box for in your tractor cab, in the workshop, or wherever you want to keep it. When we open the box, first thing inside we have is the instructions. We then have the lights themselves. Connix lights have the side light, stop lights, indicators, and a reflective strip on the front face. On the bottom we have the number plate light and a battery level indicator, and on the back we have a magnetic mounting plate, an on and off button, a left hand or right hand indicator, and charging port. Then to charge the lights we have a USB cable with 2 outlets to charge both the lights at the same time. Those then come with the adapter, the various plugs, and an in-cab USB cigarette lighter to charge the lights in the tractor. And finally we have the tractor 7-pin plug, just like any normal 7-pin plug that you'd expect to see, with the addition that we must add the transmitter. You get 2 in the box, 1 spare. It's very easy to fit. You simply screw it into the back of the 7-pin plug, like so. That's the 7-pin plug ready to use with Connix LED. That's everything in the box. I'm now going to talk you through about how to put Connix to work. So here we are on the farm. I've got my Connix set, charged up and ready to go. So the first thing to do is to plug in the 7-pin transmitter. So the next step is to turn on the tractor ignition, turn on the side lights, and get the lights themselves. A single press turns the light on. You'll see the battery level indicator illuminate, and then a 5-second hold will start the pairing process. An orange LED light will start to flash, and once the lights have paired, they will illuminate. What we can do now, you can see that the side lights are on. If we apply the brake pedal, the brake lights come on, right hand indicator, left hand indicator, and hazard functions. The lights are now paired and ready to use. We've had lots of interest on social media about our Connix lights, so please click here for more information.